Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Sapon, and today I created this super easy natural look for someone who is running late, someone who doesn't want to wear that much makeup. If you're interested in how I created this look, just keep on watching. So first things first, we're going to start off with moisturizing our skin. Of course, this is the Clear Improvements Pore Clearing Moisturizer. I actually found a new primer, and I like this primer more than I like the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and the Tatcha combined, only because I feel like it does both. It's the First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. First Aid Beauty is known for a skincare line, so of course the hyaluronic acid is going to help. It does such a great job with holding and locking my makeup down all day. I would wear this and my skin, my makeup still looks intact like all day. And of course I'm just gonna take my Precisely My Brow in shade 4.5. Of course you guys seen me do this multiple times, so I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom through it. So now that this is more of a natural look, I'm just gonna go straight into the foundation. I didn't even prime my eyes. So today we are using the Forever Skin Glow Dior foundation. I'm in the shade 3WO, and I love this foundation. It's great for more of my natural everyday look when I'm in a rush but I want some coverage, because it's a Radiant Perfection Skin Caring Foundation with sunscreen. Of course, I love anything with sunscreen. This one definitely does not have a sunscreen smell. It just smells like any other Dior products. And I love to go in with a damp beauty blender and alright, so next I would just take my JS1 brush, and I'm just gonna take the remaining and I'm just gonna drag it all over, make sure that I'm able to just get everything, drag it down to my neck. And this is where if I want a little more coverage than this, I would go in with the Jeffree Star Magic Concealer in C18, and I go in and go over anywhere that I want a little more coverage. So everywhere, I'm kidding. And then just blend all of that out and over my eyelids as kind of like a base. So I'm going to set my eyelids because I did use concealer to prime, I meant. And then I'm gonna be going in with Soleil Tan de Chanel. This makes it so easy to like contour and be out the door. This is a little pricey, but I honestly think this is probably the best like contour bronzer that I've ever invested my money in on, because especially when days when I'm like running late, it's so easy. Now moving on to concealer, we're going to be taking the Magic Star Concealer in C12, and we're going to be going in and concealing wherever that needs to be concealed. Now I'm going to set where I highlighted with banana powder. Kind of let that settle in. I'm going to go do a super quick eye look with this. So I'm going to be going in with the Morphe palette in 15H, or Happy Hour palette, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be taking Mixer and Shears, and I'm going to blend that in over where our crease is at, then just a little over to blend it all out. Taking a blending brush from Morphe, I'm gonna go in with 5 p.m. and hit that on the crease and then drag it down a little bit down to the lid. And then just taking my ring finger, I'm going to take Hot Spot and I'm just going to dab that right in the middle. So now we're going to be dusting off the powder that we have. And then going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So we're going to be going on to bronzing our face. We're going to take the Marc Jacobs bronzer and we are going to bronze our face using the Morphe 8W palette. Let's use these 3. So I'm taking Babe Sweet and Unapologetic and running this through. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with the Laura Mercier Indiscretion. I love this. Sometimes I will use a highlight over and over again until I get sick and tired of it. Seriously, it's bad. So next I'm going to be taking this Master Chrome by Maybelline and I'm going to layer this on. Taking Love Bite by Morphe, I'm going to quickly line my lips. Take this lipstick called Flirt right in the center. Top it off with their gloss in the shade Boho to top off the entire look. So there you have it. This is my natural everyday look. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and comment down below how long it takes for you to do your everyday look. I'm super curious. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.